I think it's a great thing.
Yeah, I think YouTube's an awesome deal. You know, when we didn't have it growing up, right? So it was what the three major networks, and you know whatever they said was God, and that's what you went by, and all of that good stuff. And now with YouTube, YouTube University, YouTube News, I kind of think we get a better understanding of everything that's going on in the world. We get different perspectives, and so it works. And then we can do this stuff. Yeah. Yo, we're recording already, guys.
Yeah, that's great. So you said it was Tesla rideshare?
Tesla rideshare is the name of the channel. Okay. And as you can see, my hands are here.
Woohoo! I like it.
My feet are here. Now I've got it set to just do the speed limit, not over. Right, if I need to take over, though, I will be able to take over.
Yeah, no, they just added a new feature that you could do, like a faster mode.
Yeah, called Mad Max.
Yeah. Okay.
So now the deal there is, my Tesla is a 2022 Model Y Performance. Right. So it has what they call Hardware 3.
Sure.
The newer ones are Hardware 4. They're better suited for the latest, greatest update, which they just released for self-driving.
Right.
And I'm watching that. But, some of us peons down here that can't afford to go out and buy $50,000 for a, this is what we do.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, well, you have a new follower, my friend.
I appreciate that, my friend. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Well, hell, are you into grok at all?
Yeah, we're actually just came from an AI conference.
Did you really?
Yeah, literally.
Oh, you're gonna love my other channel then.
Yeah.
I just started a third channel.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Called Just Ask Grok. Same setup, and I just ask Grok questions in the car.
Oh, that's funny.
Let's see what this thing's gonna do. Is this BMW coming? Is he coming or is he going?
Oh, he's coming.
All right. So now the car is reacting.
Right.
Obviously, I am.
Right. He's just gonna give him more space, basically.
Right, but again, with this version of full self-driving, I would say it's probably 90% there, or the equivalent, and it signals, it does everything on its own, is the equivalent of riding with like a 21-year-old.
Okay.
So if you've ever been in the car with a 21-year-old, every now and then you're going to need to grab that oh shit handle.
Yeah.
But for the most part, the only thing I found so far with this, the flashing lights. So at like midnight when the traffic signals are flashing.
Yeah.
And then like when you're going past like a fire station or something like that, and they got the flashings, the car will hesitate. It's like when the light's there, it wants to stop, but when the light flashes off, it wants to go.
Because it doesn't
know what to do.
Yeah.
And from what I understand, they fixed all that with the newer versions.
You got to have a higher def camera to see the color of the light.
Oh, it sees it all.
Yellow or red. Right?
Oh no, it sees it all. It's not that. It sees the yellow and or the red, but usually a yellow light is okay, we're slowing down.
Yeah.
Right.
And then when the light disappears completely, now the camera's like, oh shit, no, we can keep going.
Right.
So what I found is if I give it just a little accelerator at that point, which I'm not doing now, but if I give it a little accelerator, it'll push right through.
Ah, okay.
Now I'm not sure if that's what I'm
you're
supposed to do.
Like, well, you're just like, it's okay, buddy, you can make it.
You can do it.
You got it.
It's okay.
Let's go, Thomas the Tank Engine. Let's go.
21-year-old.
Yeah, exactly. But other than that,
do you ever use? So there's also Summon where you park it.
Oh man, that's awesome. So I got my wife. She works over here. That's what I'm doing up here. Anyway, I got there to pick her up, and I got there a little earlier, so I went and used the restroom inside. And when she came out of her office building, I just hit the Summon, and all of a sudden, I parked the car purposely two rows back.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
And so now here comes the car, and she's losing her mess. She's like, what the hell is that? I said, what do you mean? I said, it's my new toy. It's remote control, and and so yeah, it'll definitely, it comes to you.
I always wanted the James Bond thing. Remember where it was which one was it? Where he was driving the car with the remote control.
Oh, that was the old Aston Martin.
And then he gets in the back of the car, and he's like driving because he's been shot out, so he's driving it from behind the seat.
Phenomenal. That and the self-parking. Self-parking is pretty good too. Like this version, it'll only back itself in.
Uh-huh.
But with the new version, it'll pull him forward.
Okay.
And do left side parking and all that.
Oh, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
So it's the technology's there. You guys are in the AI space, so
yeah. Oh yeah.
So what kind of conference was it, if you don't mind me asking?
So we're both cybersecurity companies.
Okay.
So I'm from Washington State.
Okay.
I'm Nashville.
And he's in Nashville.
All right.
And so we both own what they call managed service providers. So we are cybersecurity experts, and our clients are already asking us about how do we do AI in our business to increase productivity.
Right.
How do we do it in a secure, safe way? All of those things. So this conference was really all about helping us to better serve our clients in that space, and how do we help them to navigate all the how quick AI is changing in business in general.
Right.
So,
Well, just how to monetize it, because people are asking for help, and you're like, do I charge an hourly rate? Do I charge a project fee? How much do I charge? That kind of stuff. So.
Right. All right. I'm gonna slow this down just a little bit. Get to my autopilot. I'm gonna put it in chill mode, only because there's a lot of little hesitant stop and go here.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So, it'll be
So
a
I'm
little
just
bit
gonna
more
slow. Yeah, I'm gonna relax just a little bit. So other than the flashing lights, the other thing that I'm still a little skeptical with. I'm still learning to trust it. Is in standard mode. So there's this particular version's got 3 modes. It's got chill, standard, and then hurry up. So, and then you would have your Mad Max.
Yeah.
And now they even have an even slower one called sloth mode.
That's long.
Okay, I don't know how much slower that's going to get, but the point is that when the braking, sometimes it's a little late.
Yeah, I have a Nissan that's like that. It's got the,
Sonar.
yeah, and sometimes it's like
just
you
a little
slam
late.
on the brakes,
Yeah.
and I'm slamming on the brakes too, because like, man,
Yeah.
you're not up to my comfort level here.
Yeah, and being a driver, and I drive obviously Premier, but I've driven Escalades, XT6s, CTSs, all of that stuff. You learn how to warm the brakes and not jam the brakes.
Right.
So I'm used to slowing the car down a little earlier than most people would.
Yeah.
My wife, she like, oh, why are you gonna stop so soon? Because I don't want to run into the car. But it's way up there. Don't worry about it. Calm down. Sit down. Relax. She's gonna hear me say that on the video.
I know. I'm being careful too.
It's okay. I'll bleep it out.
My wife, she's like, "Do you see the And
Yeah,
I'm like,
man.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, buddy.
I saw it 5 minutes ago. I saw it before we even got to it.
Right.
No, I'm just joking. I'm not that good, but sometimes I'll look at her. She watches enough YouTube with me that
there you go,
she
man.
would see this.
I'd tell you, YouTube is.
My wife does not tell me how to drive. Thank goodness.
Oh no, mine's been telling me for 36 years.
She's good. I think she came to the point where she's like, okay, I trust you. or you get enough side eye glares.
Mine is just, damn it, you could be driving faster, and I'm like,
No, I'm the fast driver in the family.
No, my wife is absolutely speed racer.
She can floor it if she needs to, but I'm definitely the one who's more, I'm the one who'll weave in and out of traffic.
Okay.
If I need to.
Well, guys, so far so good. I mean, other than me dropping it down into chill because of the stop and go here,
Yeah,
car's doing everything.
that's pretty sweet.
Haven't had it interfere yet. It's getting cut off here, signaling over. That's another thing too. You get a little used to. So there's 8 cameras on the car,
Right.
and it'll signal. Obviously, it's got 8 sets of eyes,
Right.
so it'll signal, and I'm like, whoa. I know. Oh, okay, all right, we're good.
Right. So then it has to make decisions about when it's gonna signal. Like
Yes.
if it knows I've got to make a turn up here in a quarter mile, it's got to figure out how to get over.
It's got to figure out how to get over, and when to get over, and I mean, there's a lot to 21-year-old.
Right.
Supposedly, the latest, greatest version is it's supposed to be damn near sentient.
I should have asked my dad. He got it, and I think he just put the mode on there because they changed it from where you had to buy it up front to where you can now.
Right. That's how I do it. I do a monthly thing.
Yeah. Which made more sense to me. I was like, that makes way more sense to me.
I'm within my first. This is my first month. I'm in the first month of this with the self-driving, and it takes a little bit of getting used to.
You've got to build some trust.
Just a little
it's like
bit.
anything else in life.
100%. 100%. 100%.
Just like any other relationship.
See, this one's already just now we're not turning till we get to the next traffic light. But it's already made its decision.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's a decision I probably would make.
I'm with you on that one.
And especially in an unfamiliar area. So it's driving like it's in an unfamiliar area in a sense. Because that's how I would drive. If I'm in an area where I'm not quite sure, I'm like, okay, but GPS says it's one light away. You know, I'm going to be a little bit more.
So how long are we in town for? A couple of days?
I'm here to, no, we're done with our conference. I'm
Oh,
out
okay.
of here tomorrow night.
Gotcha.
So I'm going to go do a little sightseeing, and then I'm going to go to I'll probably go down to the beach tomorrow.
Well, we're supposed. I mean, I don't know where this little trickle rain is coming from right now, but we're supposed to have great weather all week.
Well, it's supposed to get windy and then rainy. I saw rainy later on.
Yeah, but for us,
Saturday,
rainy could be like 10 minutes, and then
it's
you're
not
done.
like Washington.
You guys, what, about 60% of the time got a little drizzle going?
A little less, but it's 55.
Yeah.
Never been there. It's part of my trip that I want to get to. Okay, see, nope. See, now it's trying to turn early. Nope. So I just took over. I tried to go in here when the hotel's over there.
Okay,
So I took over for the ride, and we're going to finish off the trip.
that makes sense.
Because there's your hotel right there.
Exactly. Yeah, little things like that is not.
Like I said, 21-year-old. Oh, squirrel, don't get the squirrel.
Yeah, there's so many squirrels here. It's crazy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We just bought a squirrel feeder for the house, and my wife's got her bird feeders out there that the squirrels jump in, and it works. Oh man, the whole damn Dr. Doolittle thing going on, man. Listen, makes my wife happy, and I'm not too upset about it. They're okay.
I almost guarantee if you hang around here like 5 or 10 more minutes, you'll probably get a ride from all the people going to dinner.
Could be.
The conference just got out, so.
All right.
Hey, thanks.
Well,
man.
gentlemen, I appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
thank you very much.
Hope the ride was somewhat
Fantastic.
did
It was
something.
fun.
It was fantastic. That was fun. Thanks
You
for
got
showing me the
followers on each of your
self-driving
channels.
thing.
I appreciate it, guys.
That's one more nudge in the Tesla buying direction.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Be good. Have a good one. Thank you. And that's how you convert drivers or riders into FSD drivers. Even with the little mishap it just had, it tried to turn early and it can't come through there. I don't know why it saw it that way, but it can't come to that hotel from across there because there's a big block there. Anyway, there you go, fellas. It's a nice little ride. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.